We are at the forefront of digitizing multinational companies and kitchens in the food service industry worldwide. Plagued with inconsistent recipes? Still manually calculating food costs? Wondering how to improve the way you do recipe management to grow your business faster? EGS CalcMenu has all the digital ingredients to achieve your recipe for success. With over 30 years of combined technology and culinary expertise, EGS Enggist Grandjean Software SA developed EGS CalcMenu, a complete solution with advanced features to meet your needs in managing and standardizing recipe-related data. Standardizing your recipes results in consistency in quality, taste, and presentation of your menus and food. It also saves you time and money by economizing food production and reducing wastage with more accurate menu planning and inventory management. This leads to efficient use of labor time and optimization of operational workflow. Reduce your staff's training time and cost, since EGS CalcMenu provides specific and easy-to-follow instructions for each recipe. Coupled with EGS CalcMenu's multilingual and multi-currency versatility, both old and new staff anywhere around the world can access recipes anytime to produce quality standard food products. EGS CalcMenu also helps you determine nutrients and allergens for your dishes. It simplifies processes for composition and food declaration labels in compliance with government laws and enables you to print these labels too. Whether you are in the restaurant, catering, hospital, retirement home, cruise line, airline, supermarket, hotel and resort, consumer brand business, or an individual chef, the EGS CalcMenu suite has the perfect solution to cater to your distinct needs. Our products include EGS CalcMenu Web Business and Enterprise Editions and EGS F&B Control Back Office Solutions. Your data can be encoded by our team of culinary experts using only the best industry practices and strategies by availing of our advanced data management service. Your recipe ingredients, procedures, nutritional and allergen information, and food composition are standardized, errors are minimized, and accurate recipe information are provided for you and your kitchen staff. Get more things done more efficiently for less money and grow your business with EGS CalcMenu. Your recipe for success.